modernized elevator at
The Armstrong Hotel. Nock Garside, modernized by ThyssenKrupp.
N and G.
Would have been cool to see that.
That BS.
What does this say? Fire door. Wait, Minnesota Elevator Inc. Look at that. Look, it says Minnesota Elevator. That is strange.
Hit the button. Hopefully we don't stop, because that would be bad. I don't know if I got that picture without your hands in it, but whatever.
My bad. Very quiet.
Yeah. Tech 32 controllers. Like.
Yeah, that or TAC 50.
I think 32 is on mine.
They both are.
They're both used right.
This is neat. At least it's pretty here on the outside. Wow, look, I bet this used to be like birdcage or something. They covered it up.
Yeah. Another thing is they had, these are big card locks, I believe, or they were. Oh, no, those are, don't buy those. Those are not good. I'm not going to specify what they are, but they're not secure.
That was a very delayed lantern.
We're just going to go to one.
There's no stop switch
There is.
on the CO, on like the main panel.
That's why it looked kind of funny.
It looks like empty, right?
Yeah. It's like usually there's a key switch. Not that it really matters. There's one in the fire cabinet, and there's also one in probably the cabinet below. Alright.
And you can see on the outside they have a nice little dial. For it to close up, that's it.